Welcome to Yankee Connect Pro, your go-to channel for making the U.S. visa process understood and less stressful. Our team is made up of moderators who have personally been through the journey themselves, with several years of experience. While we don't issue visas or provide legal advice, our mission is to guide you with reliable tips and insights to help your application process go smoothly. In today's video, we'll focus on some of the most important U.S. non-immigrant visas, particularly the F1 student visa and the B1/B2 visitor visas. Whether you're planning to study in the U.S. or make a short trip, we'll help you understand what to expect during the visa interview. While this video is relevant for applicants worldwide, we're placing a special emphasis on applicants from African countries like Cameroon, based on their unique circumstances and challenges in the visa process. If you're applying for the F1 student visa, you may be wondering if your family members can come with you. The answer is yes. Your spouse and children under 21 years old can accompany you, but they will need to apply for an F2 visa. Keep in mind, however, that F2 visa holders cannot work or study in the U.S. during their stay. Now let's talk about what the visa officer will be looking for when you apply for your F1 or B1/B2 visa. It's crucial to prepare well to improve your chances. Here are 5 key areas they will focus on. 1. Proof of income. You need to show that you can cover the costs of your trip or studies. For the F1 visa, this may mean showing financial support from a family member, a sponsor, or your own savings. For the B1/B2 visa, you need to prove you can afford your trip and won't need to work illegally. 2. Ties to your home country. Visa officers will look for strong ties to your home country, such as property ownership, family connections, or even a business. The goal is to prove that you plan to return home after your trip or studies. 3. Employment history. Make sure to have a clear record of your employment. Whether you are working or a student, this helps prove you're not planning to stay in the U.S. illegally. 4. Proof of ties. Demonstrating ties can be tricky, but having documents like a job offer back home or enrollment in a school for when you return can help. These ties show that you have reasons to come back. 5. Purpose of the trip. Are you a bona fide visitor? The officer will also ask about the purpose of your trip. Be honest and clear. For a B1/B2 visa, they will want to know if your visit is for business or tourism, and if you truly plan to leave after your trip. Understanding these 5 key points can help strengthen your application. Make sure you come prepared with all necessary documents and clear answers. By doing so, you'll increase your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share our content so you can stay connected with Yankee Connect Pro for more tips and insights into U.S. immigration.